Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is very simple. I'm going to show you how to start a WordPress website in literally 5 minutes. No coding, no stress, just straight to the point. Okay, let's go. First thing, you need a place to host your website. Think of it like renting a home for your site. You can use any host you like, Bluehost, Hostinger, Namecheap, whatever fits your budget. Just choose a plan, type your website name, and hosting is done. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose Hostinger as an example. So after you purchasing your hosting, just log into your account. Then go to websites section. After that, click on create or migrate a website. Choose the type of website you want to create. And then select WordPress as a platform and hit select. Now the fun part, you've already installed your WordPress. Give it a username and password, and within seconds you'll have your own WordPress site. Yep, that's it. It's really that easy. Next, we'll make it look good. Now you're inside your WordPress dashboard. Head to Appearance, Themes. Then choose anything simple, for example, Astra, Blocksy, Cadence. So for the sake of this video, I'll choose Astra. Then click Activate, Install, and your website instantly gets a professional look. Now let's preview this theme. Okay, here is how your website would look like. Okay, after installing the theme, you can go back to your appearance page and click on the theme you've installed. Click on Customize Site, and here where you play around, change the colors, update your logo, edit your menu. You don't need to be an expert, just click and change. If you can use a phone, you can use WordPress. It's that easy. And that's it. You just build a full WordPress website in around 5 minutes. If you want me to make a full series from choosing plugins to designing a full homepage, let me know in the comments. I'll drop next video as soon as possible. Thank you so much.